For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Samsonite Freeform 21-inch hardside carry-on luggage is designed for hassle-free travel, meeting most airline cabin size restrictions with its 21.25-inch by 15.25-inch by 10.0-inch dimensions. The hard shell exterior is scratch-resistant, ensuring durability while keeping belongings safe. Inside, the spacious 19.5-inch by 14.5-inch by 10.0-inch compartment offers elastic straps, a divider, and a pouch to keep items organized and secure during transit. Designed for smooth mobility, this lightweight 6.5 pounds carry-on features 4 oversized, multidirectional spinner wheels, allowing easy movement in any direction. Security is also a priority with the TSA-Approved built-in combination lock, ensuring a worry-free journey without the need for keys. Additionally, the suitcase is expandable, offering extra space when needed, making it perfect for short or long trips. Durability is key, and it backs this hard-shell carry-on with a 10-year warranty, proving its long-term reliability. The suitcase is rigorously tested to withstand travel demands, ensuring lasting performance. Whether for business or leisure, the Freeform carry-on delivers convenience, security, and ease of travel, making it an excellent choice for frequent flyers.